I'm a software developer and entrepreneur with more than 15 years experience. During my career, I've developed device drivers, embedded firmware, Windows programs, websites, and mobile apps. My interest in software and electronics began when I was 12. My first programming experience was writing simple games in BASIC and reading all the source code I could get my hands on. I built my first 300 baud modem from a design printed in Byte magazine in the early 1980s. In 1998, I moved to San Diego, California to accept the software engineering position at a small technology company with a suite of networking and telephony hardware products. Later, I went on to lead the software team working on their unique 32-bit microprocessor. My interest in sports cars led me to start an automotive enthusiast forum and website, which attracted more than 100,000 members and served as many as 10 million page views each month. The site became so popular, it turned into a full-time occupation for myself and two others in 2003. I sold that business in 2011, and I've been working on inventing novel products for the emerging Internet of Things market since then. I met Rad in September 2013 at a smart energy hackathon hosted by Mars. I joined up with Rad's team and we instantly hit it off. We found it very easy to communicate and come to consensus quickly, and we have been actively working together on wtrbox since.
I first came to Canada in 2004 as an international student from Bangladesh on the back of a small scholarship. In addition to juggling 3 jobs and full-time school, I also led student clubs, raised funds for multiple charitable initiatives, and worked with the York University Student Campus Task Force to improve quality of student life. In 2007, I traveled across Canada as a Much Music reporter with Finger 11, the #1 Canadian band at the time. I worked as a national campus radio promoter following the tour, but after a year I decided to go back to school and focus. I graduated with an honors degree in molecular biology in 2009 in the midst of the economic depression. I spent much of the next 2 years underemployed and soul searching. In 2011, I started my graduate school with a focus on commercialization of advanced clean technologies. It was an amazing time, from presenting my research at Oxford University in the UK to learning from senior industry delegates in Washington, D.C., to even partnering with Arcos Media from Austin, Texas, to spread awareness about renewable energy through media. I met Eric in 2013 when I led a small team for the first ever Mars Energy Hackathon and found Eric through Twitter. Eric and I got along very well amidst the chaos and stress of the hackathon. We were quick to assess problems, set goals, and execute decisions. The event set stage for our fruitful partnership. In addition to being a co-founder of wtrbox by day, I'm also an industry analyst at Water Technology Acceleration Project and a collaborator at the Responsive Architecture Lab at U of T.